Hello guys, today I would like to share my experience of using Ovente Electric Kettle. I'm using this kettle for 2 years already. We bought it when we were moved from East Coast to West Coast. We were looking for a simple kettle because we had to buy a lot of stuff and we didn't want to buy something expensive. We just wanted something with decent quality and simple and for reasonable price. So this one is very simple. It has just turn on, turn off button and push button to open. And to fill. Also it has like filter here. Maximum quantity of water, it's 1.5 liters and the minimum is 0.5 liter. When you turn it on, it becomes glowing in blue color. I like it so much. It makes my kitchen so bright. This kettle has very reasonable price. It was bought like for $20 or 20 something, so it's very good price for this quality. Let's see how it would look like without light in the room. Pretty amazing, yeah? I like to stare at this kettle while it's boiling. Beautiful. That's almost it. If you would like to buy this kettle, the link for this item below the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.